Hi, thank you for attending this demo session with Navotar. We're glad that you've shown interest in our software, and we'd love to help you and your company transition towards using our product in your day-to-day business. Bit of background about Navotar. It's a completely cloud-based software, meaning that everything is online. You can access the system from anywhere, including your computer, your mobile phone, and any other browser that you may be using around the office. Do business from home, do business at work, doesn't really matter due to the cloud-based integration of the software. So, when you start using the system, you and your employees will be given a username and password, unique to each person. Then you can simply log in right on our website here at navotar.com, and you'll be greeted by what we call the dashboard. Now what the dashboard is it gives you a basic day-to-day business overview of your current rental solutions, and it also allows you to do basic business functions as well, such as checking in customers, looking up the phone numbers, and also just looking at how your vehicles are currently being used. Now to start from the left right here, this is what we call the rental management summary. The rental management summary, you can see, for instance, who's returning a car today, who's picking up a car today, overdue rentals, open agreements, pending payments, and service alerts as well. You can configure the system so that it alerts you every so often that a car needs to be serviced, depending on the maintenance protocols that your company has. Down here you also have different messages from administration, which would be us. Down here we have the customer satisfaction summary. What this shows you is it allows you to send a survey to your customers to allow them to illustrate their overall impression with your company. This way you can improve your business and maintain repeat customers. Here in the quick lookup section, you can search up customers, agreements, reservations, and licenses with just a number. So for instance, I can look up a customer right here, and I can get brought right to their customer page. Here I can view their contact information, insurance information, credit card, and a summary. The summary shows me the history of their business with me. This includes open reservations, agreements, revenue, and traffic tickets as well. Essentially, it allows you to determine whether or not this person is a good customer. Then we have customer notes that you can add about the customer, and you can also add additional credit cards as well. From this page, you can also make reservations and agreements. Now to go back home, you can also do the same thing with agreements, reservations, and licenses. In the quick check-in agreement, you can quickly check in a customer once they bring back the contract just by typing in a vehicle number and an agreement number. Next, we have the to-do summary. This shows you hour by hour things that the company needs to do. For instance, you can see today's pickups, today's arrivals as well. So I know that this customer is picking up a car at 11:10 a.m. So when you have a longer list, it will show it in chronological order, allowing you to plan yourselves accordingly. Then we have the sales status. Sales status shows you month to month how well your business is doing, and you can sort this by location as well. This is something that is only available to administrators of the account. Then you have the vehicle status. This allows you to sort by location and vehicle type how your vehicles are currently being used, so whether they're available, whether they're in maintenance, or on rent. Next, we have the rate summary. It allows you to view all the rates that your company is currently offering. So Navotar itself allows you to input unlimited rates in the system for each vehicle. So for instance, if I input my base rates, I can view all the base rates that I currently have for my economy, full-size, convertible cars, etc. Next in the dashboard, we have the daily planner. The daily planner allows you to quickly make rentals face-to-face with customers. This way you can view which cars are available in the next 30, 60, or 120 days, allowing you to plan your rentals and manage them easily and efficiently. For instance, if a car has been reserved online, they will be shown in yellow like so. If it's on agreement, it will be green. And you can, like the others, you can sort this by the specific vehicles as well. Now I'm going to walk you through a quick checkout and check-in process. To check out a customer, simply click Make an Agreement right here. Then you can simply output a checkout location, then a check-in location. Then it'll show you the available vehicles at this location. So I'll select the appropriate vehicle type, the vehicle itself. If the vehicle is on rent, it will say that it is on rent and it'll ask you if you want to proceed. I'll simply click yes to override it. The fuel level and the odometer. Then I can either add a new customer or find a customer that is existing in my system. Then I can add additional drivers, input insurance information, referrals if your company works with them, billing, equipment information, airport information, and also a PO and RO number as well. Then as you can see here, my rates are automatically populated. You can edit them accordingly, or you could select one of the other rates that you currently offer. Then you can add any additional miscellaneous charges. Taxes are automatically configured. You can add promotional codes in the system as well, adjustment factors, and finally a deposit and payment method. Navotar itself can process payments for you using our credit card processing system, or you can simply just click save if you choose to take cash or use your own processing. Then you can also email this agreement to your customer, print the agreement. When you print, everything is automatically populated like so. Do vehicle damage reports showing you before and after your rental. Invoices right here, so I can add an invoice. Traffic tickets like so. And you can also add additional payments and credit cards as well. You can view all the information you inputted before making the agreement, and after you're done and the customer has done the rental, simply click check-in on this same page. Check-in process is incredibly simple. All you have to do is input a vehicle level, the new odometer level. When you do apply, all the additional mile charges and rate charges will adjust accordingly. Additional taxes, miscellaneous charges, and you can add any additional fees that you may need to. Select a payment method as well. Then all we need to do is click save, and the customer is checked in, and the agreement has now been closed. Another great part about Navotar is the management reports that allow you to manage your business much easier. The system offers around 25 basic reports. We can also build customer reports for you as well, in case that the reports in our system don't suffice your business needs. Some of the most frequently used reports include the vehicle utilization report. This shows you how your vehicles are currently being used and the profits and revenues for them as well. So it will show me a list of all my vehicles and the type, usage percentage, total days, revenue, expenses, and profits as well. You can export all of these reports to Excel or to PDF, or you can simply print them as well. That's all the ins and outs of the Navotar system, all the basic functions that you'll use day to day. If you have any further questions or any further features you want to see, simply give us a call or email us at sales@navotar.com, and we'll be sure to get back to you right away. Thank you for attending this demo, and I hope that Navotar is the solution for you.